Hi guys, welcome back to TWINKLE Reading Stars. Today we're going to be reading Little Chef by Matt Stein and Elizabeth Wensbeg, illustrated by Paige Kinsey. Hello, my name is Lizzie, and I am a chef. Ever since I was a baby, I loved to cook. My mom and dad called me their little chef. I have my own special hat and coat made just for me. Chefs have to wake up early and stay up late. This morning I woke up Mom and Dad extra early because it's a very special day. Grandma is coming over for dinner. My grandma is the greatest chef in the world. She taught me everything I know. Today, I'm going to cook a perfect dinner for her. My grandma expects the best. On a special day like today, I need to have a big breakfast. I'm making my famous scrambled eggs. First, I crack the eggs in the bowl and mix them up with a fork. Then I pour in some salt and pepper. That's called seasoning. To be a great chef, you need to season your food just right. After a delicious breakfast, Mom and I write a list of all the ingredients we need for dinner. Tonight I'm going to make my grandma's super special smashed sweet potatoes. I want to show Grandma that I can cook just like her. A chef always gets the best ingredients, and that means going to my favorite place, the farmer's market. We get to the market early so I can get the freshest fruits and vegetables. Grandma and I love sweet potatoes. They are better than regular potatoes because they're a cool orange color and sweet like candy. I pick out the best ones I can find. We buy a fuzzy peach even though it's not on the shopping list. I get it to eat right there in the market. Once we get home, it's time to start cooking. I tell Mom we should begin with the sweet potatoes. Mom and Dad peel and chop them and get them ready for me. Stir, stir, stir. Do you know what's the best part about making mashed sweet potatoes? Smashing them. Thump, skish, skish, splat, thump. Now it's time to add the secret ingredient. Grandma says every recipe has one. It makes a chef's food taste extra special and delicious. Stomp, 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 stomp. Oh no! The secret ingredient isn't in the recipe. Now my sweet potatoes will never be as good as Grandma's. I guess I'll have to find my own secret ingredient. I'll look in the spice cabinet. Maybe I can find one in there. How about this one? Nope, too spicy. Grandma would like any of these. What am I going to do? Achoo! Of course! This is the perfect secret ingredient for my sweet potatoes. Grandma will love this. Finally, it's time to take a taste. A chef has to taste everything to make sure it's perfect, and my grandma expects the best. Grandma is here. I can't wait for her to see what I've made. Now we are ready for my favorite time of the day, dinner time. Daddy takes the first taste. Then Mommy takes a taste. Finally, Grandma takes a taste. Delicious, says Grandma. These are even better than my own super special smashed sweet potatoes. What's your secret ingredient? Grandma, you know a chef never tells anyone her secret ingredient. What a perfect meal, says Grandma, and being with you is the best ingredient of all. You did it again, little chef, says Mom. Now, off to bed, says Dad. Before I go to sleep, I have just one question. What should I cook tomorrow? Okay guys, that's the end of the story. How did you guys like the story? I love this story so much because I myself have loved baking and cooking so much. So yeah, I hope you guys like the story, and it tells us that we should be passionate about what we have and what we don't have. And Lizzie couldn't find the special ingredient to her super sweet smashed potatoes. She couldn't find the ingredients, so she just got up a better and new one. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment to Twinkle Twinkle Reading Stars. For now, bye.